Today is Friday and we are going to do language arts activity. It is based on the textbook of Year 6, page 138. We are going to do a candle holder out of a plastic bottle. The things needed are a plastic bottle, then a pair of scissors, then some decorated item like glitter dust and spray paint, and of course a candle. Do you want to know how we do it? Let's watch this video. You can watch the video of the pupils making their own candle holder by following the link here. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it to someone you know. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you will get a notification when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.